Under normal circumstances, the bookmaker is the only part in a bet that definitely comes out a winner. I'm Joe for the Betting Expert Academy, and in today's video, we're going to look at how bookmakers operate. So in order for bookmakers to keep doing business, they need to make bets that allow them to make money in the long run. Therefore, bookmakers don't set the odds just based on probabilities. They also incorporate a margin, ensuring they earn a profit on each bet. So let's take a basic coin toss where £10 is on the line as an example. So of course the outcome here is either heads or tails, so it's a 50-50 chance. If one person bets on heads and another on tails, no matter who wins, the bookmaker would have to pay out the £10, leaving no surplus to him. Now that would be a pretty bad business plan, so instead the bookie lowers the prize money for a fair outcome. So let's now say that the bookmaker lowers the payout to £9 instead of the fair £10. That's the equivalent actually of offering odds of 1.90 on a coin toss instead of the fair 2.0 or even money. Now, since our two punters still bet the £10, the bookies will turn a profit whatever the outcome is, since he collects £10 from one punter and pays out £9 to the other, keeping £1 for himself. This represents the bookie margin, also known as the commission, the vig, or juice as you might be known in the US. Now, of course, real sporting events are not as simple as a coin toss. So in this next section, we're going to look at how bookmakers profit in reality. So the coin toss example, where a bookmaker pays out the fair odds of 2.0, could also be called a 100% market. So when the market is assessed as less than 100%, this places the advantage with the bettor, meaning there is greater value in the odds than the probability of all possible outcomes. We'll be honest, that's quite rare, but it does happen. And on the other hand, when the market is greater than 100%, as it typically is, this means that there is less than full value in the market. The advantage is with the bookmaker. So how do we calculate the margin for any given betting market? Well, it's actually a fairly simple calculation, but firstly we need to convert the decimal odds to the percentage probabilities that they represent, also known as the implied probability, and here's an example. So let's take a football game with three possible outcomes. Either team could win or there's a draw. So the team 1 odds being of 2.0, team 2 odds to win is 3.90, and the draw at 3.50. Now if we use our conversions of these odds, we get a team 1 probability of 50% that they'll win, team 2 probability of 25.6, and the draw at 28.6. And if you add up those percentages, you get 104.2%. So in this example, for every £100 that you bet, you're paying on average £4 to the bookmakers. Of course, you're not going to want to have to do this each and every time you wish to make a bet, especially if you're trying to calculate the value in a horse racing market of 12 or so runners. Fortunately, betting exchanges such as Betfair do display the market margin on each market, and there are also a number of calculators online that will do it for you. So the real value of understanding how the bookmakers operate for you as a bettor is when it comes to comparing the bookmakers and placing the bet with the best possible odds. Bookmakers who have a lower commission or lower margin will pay you out more money over the long run, as long as you keep backing winners, of course. Now, how to do that is a story for another day, but hopefully this gives you a good idea of how bookmakers operate in order to offer you an opportunity to place bets. So let us know if you have any questions, and check out the Betting Expert Academy for more in-depth guides. For now, thanks a lot for watching.